Drop the roof and let
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Okay, am I the only one who has been fighting for my life all eclipse season? Because I'm gonna be really upset if God think I'm one of his strongest soldiers again. Because why? I'm just a girl. Okay, I'm just a girl in the world. Anyway, your girl has been going through it, and I just wanted to get really cute today. Y'all know I love me a curly unit. I just feel like myself. I almost put locks in this wig, but I have another tutorial coming up soon with some locks, so I saved that for later. However, this curly lace front wig with kinky edges is eating. Get into it, baby. What lace? Like, this is my new girl. This is my new girl. I have a wig sale coming up, but I am not letting her go. This one has to stay in my personal collection. Today's video is sponsored by Jessie's Wig. They sent me over this unit, and all the details will be down below in the description bar. We're about to get into those in a little bit as well. I'm gonna show you guys all the tea, how I applied the wig. I've actually been wearing it for a week. I've been trying to be very conscious of making sure that all of the hair that I review is really good quality. So the install y'all about to see was from like a week and a half ago. I done traveled with this wig. I've wore her. I've reapplied her. She's kind of that girl, okay? It is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know. It's my girl. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet. I'm really trying so desperately not to name her Solana because I really do feel like I'm giving SZA vibes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial so I can show you guys how to get this look at home if you're interested in getting the hair, or just give you guys a couple of tips on how to apply wigs with kinky curly edges. Enough of my shenanigans. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I've already done my bald cap. As you can see, I kind of did that off of camera just because you guys have seen me do that a million times. Jessie's Wig sent me over a 13x4 HD lace kinky edge wig. It's 24 inches and 180% density. All of the information about the wig will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. They have a nice little special on this wig, especially for it to be HD lace on their website right now. It's $309.99 the last time I checked, but the link will be down below in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's a really nice HD lace, and the cap construction is nice as well. So it's time to get into the install. So I'm placing the wig on my head, and the first thing that I like to do is cut the lace. So I start by going in and cutting out the ear tabs. I try not to cut too much off on the ear tab, like just enough for the wig to be comfortable, because I've kind of overdone it before and then it makes it really hard to get the ear tabs to look right. But I think I did okay this time. So I'm going in with my scissors, and I'm also going to cut off the additional lace in the front. I prefer to do my glueless wigs with the lace pre-cut. I feel like having to cut it afterwards, one, I'm clumsy and I end up cutting myself, and two, I don't really feel like I get to see as good with all the additional product on it. So it just works out a little bit better for me when I cut the lace before. I'm going in with the black Eben spray. I know y'all, I'm working on myself, but we're going in with the black Eben spray today. And I also have the Amazon link down below if you guys haven't tried it yet. I'm obsessed with this spray. I really have been looking for other products to try. I'm gonna order the Mrs. Rosh Posh. You know what? I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna go ahead and order it today so I can review that for you guys. But I have been using this spray forever. I really like it because you get a hold that'll last a couple of days, but you can also wash it off if you wanted to. And I really like how it makes everything look nice and melted. So I sprayed that down, hit it with the blow dryer a little bit to get it tacky, and then I placed the lace down to get everything nice and laid. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out the baby hairs on it and move them forward so that they're a little bit easier to swoop and stuff later. So while we have that melting band on and everything is drying, we're gonna go ahead and style everything. That way, once we take our melting band off, we're already done. I'm taking my hot comb and pressing some hair going straight back. I like to make sure I do that first because I hate when somebody has a deep part and you can see the tracks in the back where the frontal and the tracks meet. So let's go ahead and take care of that. And then I'm also gonna go in and clean up my part a little bit and then press out the sides and along my part with my pressing comb. I've already combed out the kinky edges that I want to leave out, so I'm kind of pressing everything else going straight back to get a little bit more of a sleek look. The kinky edges just give it a really like natural, like that has to be her hair because what wig has kinky edges? I don't know how to explain it. It just gives it a very Beyonce polished look. Love the kinky edges, especially when they're not too kinky. These are like the perfect texture for this hair. But once I have everything pressed out, it's a little bit flatter, but we still have the curls. I'm gonna go in with some foaming mousse. This is the Nairobi foaming mousse, and I'm using that to just define the curls a little bit. I'm not soaking the hair. I wanna make sure I'm applying it mostly to the top of the hair, where you're gonna really see it up top, and the ends of the hair where you want the curls to be popping. But as you can see, this is what it looks like with product on the right side, and on the left side there was no product. I'm going to go ahead and apply the product all through the left side as well, and then once it dries, it will have a really nice curl pattern to it. It's a little bit curlier than a deep curl, but it's not a super kinky curly hair. It's more of like a, I don't know how to explain it, but the texture is really cute. And to finish up, I'm taking some concealer right down my part just to get a little bit more definition there. The knots were pre-bleached, so I didn't have to worry about it too much, but I just wanted to have a really clean look before we go ahead and take our melting band off and lay the baby hairs. I used edge control because these baby hairs are kinky. I feel like the just foaming mousse ain't gonna do it, girl. So I used the foaming mousse to kind of get everything going in the right direction. And then I went in with a little bit of edge control to get it kind of laid how I wanted to have it. But this is what the hair looks like wet. It's long, it's curly. I like this length. The 24 inch is really, really nice. It's like the perfect long length without it being too much. So this is the finished look. Get into the curls. I just applied a little bit of the foaming mousse as you guys saw, but this is what the hair looks like, completely dry. She's big. I could have applied a little bit more product if I wanted to get that super like wet look, but y'all know I like big hair. I didn't cut her. This is exactly how she came because I kind of wanted to go for that like Eve's Bayou long curly hair, no layers, very much like, not childlike, but very like, I don't know, I feel like no layers is kind of innocent with curly hair. It just gives like, I usually wear ponytails, but I put a little water in it today and came outside. You know what I mean? It's a vibe. The girls who get it, get it. Anyway, get into the lace. Get all the way into it, baby. I don't play them type of games on this channel. Get into it. She's giving. I really, really like the quality of the hair and the lace. And thank you again to Miss Jessie's for working with me. I would love to work with you guys again. I think I need a wavy unit. I think I want a long wavy unit. I don't know. It's winter, it's cold. You can go for a little extra length these days. I might pull it, you know? Let me show you guys the back. Gotta show you guys the back. Un momento. She's giving density. She's giving full. She's giving curls for the girls, and I love it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you're subscribed and your post notifications are on so you see all of my upcoming videos. I have something coming up for everybody. The content is coming, okay? I've been working really, really hard, so make sure the notifications are on so you see everything that I've been uploading. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you so, so, so much. Bye, babes.